Do you like reading books? I do. Reading is a simple way of looking into brand new worlds. If I have a book in my hands, I often forget all about eating and sleeping. But for Ashwini here, things are somewhat different. Let's see how she likes to do her book reading.
Oh, you have your nose stuck in a book as usual.
Huh? What? Did you say something?
Yes, I said your hair is on fire.
Haha, very funny. Now tell me what you want.
Well, I want a lot of things. The latest fast track watch, a sports car, a new science teacher, a pet puppy and...
Ashwini, don't waste my time. Tell me what you came here for or just leave. I really want to finish reading this book and I'm at a very thrilling part.
Okay, I just wanted your English textbook. Mine is lost. But tell me, how do you read these books? Isn't it boring?
Are you mad? How can it be boring to read a book? It is the most thrilling thing in the world. But what would you know? You hate reading books. How sad you will never know how nice it is to read a book.
No, that's not correct. I like books. I just don't like reading them.
Huh? What do you mean?
I love when someone reads out books to me. I hate having to hold the book in the hand and turn the pages. But if someone reads out books while I'm happily relaxing, that's really pleasant.
You are mad or really lazy. I think you are really lazy. You want someone to read out the book to you just because you're too lazy to hold the book and turn the pages?
Yes, my hands ache if I have to keep holding the book. Imagine how nice it will be if you can just close your eyes and relax and just listen to the story. You don't have to do any work at all.
If you were a member of any library, the librarian would have to give you the book and also come to your house and read it out to you.
Yes, that sounds good. Do you know any libraries like that?
Well, do you think Ashwini will be able to find a library like that? A library from which she can not only get books to read, but also have them read out to her? I don't think so at all. I hope you took note of the words that were highlighted throughout the video. These will be very useful when you want to talk about your favorite things and hobbies. We'll see you again in another vocabulary segment.